बिल्कुल नहीं होगा। हम इस पिक्चर को, इस फोटो के देख के बहुत टेंस में हो अभी। एक नहीं, सिर्फ एक फोटो नहीं, 5, 6, 7 फोटो पूरा चिरा हुआ है यहाँ पर। परसों हमारा गैदरिंग है यहाँ पर। अगर कुछ भी वायलेंस हो जाए तो आप हमारे ऊपर में हमको इल्जाम मत करो। Eurosi is here or Osi? Eurosi is here. And one thing that if you cannot protect one single picture, how will we take us that you will protect us? You will protect the indigenous people. If you cannot protect a single picture that is being held on 27, just 2 days before the program, and if you cannot protect the single picture, then how will you protect us?
It was unprecedented. It was not predicted. So now we are taking care of that. Don't worry. And SDP will be meeting you. He is coming on.
I want the SP also. I want SP to be visit here in the spot.
We are also preparing for making all arrangements. See, you have just come.
क्या हम लोग पीसफुली चाहते हैं और आप लोग वायलेंस लगाना चाहते हैं, ये कैसे होगा?
हम लोग मैंने बताया टेक एक्शन।